Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Are you looking to turn a boring wall into an amazing feature wall? Then you are going to love this artificial ivy garland from KASZOO. Not only does it have these awesome leaves, but it also has lights that make it so dreamy and magical. My daughter absolutely loves her room since we've put up this ivy garland. Now what you see here came in one package. It was 82 inches of ivy and 160 LED string lights. And we went ahead and put them together this way. Another feature we love is that you can have the lights on solid lighting or they can blink in different patterns. If you're looking to jazz up a room, give it a really cool feature wall, or you just want to make it kind of romantic, I definitely would recommend these artificial ivy vines. With the lighting, it is just absolutely beautiful, but that's just my point of view.